What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Davey back again with another video. And today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a love song. You know what I'm saying? So without further ado, let's hop in my FO studio. So as you guys can see, I already have like a little sound laid up. I did this before I started recording this video for you guys. For some reason, as I was making this song, my audio was giving off two sounds, you know what I'm saying, and that video was really, it was unpleasant to watch, because the sound was bad. So I just decided to make a new video, just low-key just playing the song for you guys, or playing the little sound I made a few minutes ago for you guys. So yeah, let's just play this. This is what I came up with. Those who know, those who've been watching my videos for a minute now, know that I don't write, you know what I'm saying? So this is all off the dome, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, let me just play this without the ad-libs for you guys so you can hear how it sounds. Yeah.
AP made this. Yo, Daisy, you're gonna kill them.
Shawty always hitting on my line, and she know I'm loving on her body and her vibe. And I go crazy when she right here by my side. Shawty yellow hottie and her body is on fire. And I'm making my favorite song, thinking about you right now when I make this song. One day I wanna take your ass to Mexico. Me and you forever, that's just how it goes. You don't run for me, baby, you can run for me. If I was down bad, baby, would you ride for me? I know you're busy, but then would you make time for me? Telling me you never wanna lose me, would you fight for me? Hey baby, I think I'm going crazy, thinking about you all the time, I do it on a daily. Everything you do for me, like how could I forget it? I think I might get you a little ring so we get married. So as you guys can hear of, you know what I'm saying, this whole thing, you can hear that it's a love song, you know what I'm saying? I'm talking about a special somebody, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, when it comes to making a love song, you have to, like, be in love type thing, you know what I'm saying? Like, as an artist, you know what I'm saying, like, most of the things that we rap about or that we sing about are like, real life experiences. So a love song is probably about a special somebody, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, and when you're making a love song, you have to evoke the emotion in your voice, you know what I'm saying? Like, you have to make sure that the audience can hear like the emotions of your voice. You cannot make a love song in a deep voice or something like that. Well, you can, but like it's just not the same. Like, it won't hit the same when when your audience is listening to your music, you know what I'm saying? So you gotta make sure that when you're making a song, you're evoking emotion, and you know what I'm saying, like, you mean the words that you're saying, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, also you have to choose the right beat, you know what I'm saying? Like, you're not gonna make a love song with like a beat that's got crazy hi-hat pattern or crazy, you know what I'm saying, like lock drum or something like that, you know what I'm saying? You're not gonna make a love song, because a love song is supposed to be smooth, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's why I chose this beat, because it's smooth, and it gets you in that song. Like, even when you listen to the beat alone without the vocals, you can hear that this is a love song beat, if that's a thing. But yeah, so yeah, let me just add the ad-libs and the harmonies. So today I made harmonies for you guys, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, let's just hear how the song sounds with the ad-libs and the harmonies.
Yo, Daisy, you're gonna kill them.
Shawty always hitting on my line, and she know I'm loving on her body and her vibe. And I go crazy when she right here by my side. Shawty yellow hottie and her body is on fire. And I'm making my favorite song, thinking about you right now when I make this song. One day I wanna take your ass to Mexico. Me and you forever, that's just how it goes. You don't run for me, baby, you can run for me. If I was down bad, baby, would you ride for me? I know you're busy, but then would you make time for me? Telling me you never wanna lose me, would you fight for me? Hey baby, I think think I'm going crazy. Thinking about you all the time, I do it on a daily. Everything you do for me, like how could I forget it? I think I might get you a ring so we get married. I'm not even gonna lie, the ad-libs and the harmonies just add like life into the song. You know what I'm saying? Like without the ad-libs and the harmonies, I mean it's alright, it's cool. But like when you add like ad-libs and harmonies or backup vocals, like it just adds like more life to the song. You know what I'm saying? So obviously if you're making a love song, you want like the audience to feel like the feeling that you were feeling at the moment. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm sure you guys could even like feel like yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like yeah. But yeah, I think that's about it, you know what I'm saying, for a love song. And don't forget, always make sure that your auto tune is in key. We don't want you guys sounding robotic and all that. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna just play this thing one last time for you guys so that you can hear how this sounds and so that you can feel the emotions.
Yo, Daisy, you're gonna kill dude.
Shawty always hitting on my line, and she know I'm loving on nobody and no vibe. And I go crazy when she right here by my side. Shawty yellow hottie and her body is on fire. And I'm making my favorite song, thinking about you right now when I make this song. One day I wanna take your ass to Mexico. Me and you forever, that's just how it goes. You don't want for me, baby, you can run for me. If I was down bad, baby, would you ride for me? I know you're busy, but then would you make time for me? Telling me you never wanna lose me, would you fight for me? Hey baby, I think I'm going crazy. Thinking about you all the time, I do it on a daily. Everything you do for me, like how could I forget it? I think I might get you a ring so we get married. Hey, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I ain't even gonna lie to you guys. I like this part. I like this part right here. I like the whole song, and I like how the beats merges from just a kick to an 808. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's it for the video, guys. That's how you make a love song. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know what I'm saying? And if it's your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also, if you enjoyed the video, just give the video a thumbs up. You know what I'm saying? And if you want to add something or if you have a question, be sure to leave it in the comment section. But yeah, that's it from me, your host, Davey Boy, signing out. Peace.